In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund an eToro account. Let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your eToro account. Make sure you use your correct credentials, as this will ensure a smooth and secure login. Once you're logged in, you will be ready to proceed to the next step. Now go ahead and click on Deposit Funds. This is usually found on your account dashboard or in the main menu. Clicking this option will open a new window where you can enter your deposit details. This step is important because it directs you to the right place to safely add money to your account. Next, enter the amount you wish to deposit. It's essential to double-check this amount. You want to make sure it aligns with your investment goals and budget. Remember, the first deposit amount can vary based on your country, so keep that in mind. After the initial deposit, most additional deposits require a minimum of $50, while bank transfers generally have a $500 minimum. With that settled, choose your preferred payment method. eToro offers several options, including credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, and other local methods depending on your country. Each method has its own processing time and convenience, so pick the one that best suits your needs. For instance, credit and debit cards, as well as PayPal, Skrill, and Neteller, usually provide instant deposits. On the other hand, bank transfers typically take 4 to 7 business days. After choosing your payment method, enter the required payment details. This might include your card number, expiration date, and security code for cards, or your account details for bank transfers. Ensure that the payment method is registered in your name. eToro does not allow third-party deposits, which helps maintain account security. Now take a moment to review the information you've entered. This is a crucial step. It's your chance to confirm everything is correct before finalizing the transaction. Double-check the amount, payment method, and details. This little step can save you a lot of time and hassle later. Once you're confident that everything is accurate, click on Deposit or Submit. This action confirms your transaction and sends it for processing. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that the deposit request has been received. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the funds to appear in your account. If you've chosen a method like a credit card, debit card, or PayPal, the funds should show up almost instantly. However, if you opted for a bank transfer, remember it might take a bit longer, usually 4 to 7 business days. Finally, a quick note about account verification. If your account is unverified, you may face deposit limits until verification is completed. It's a good idea to have your account fully verified to avoid any inconveniences. This ensures you can deposit amounts freely and without restrictions. And there you have it. You've successfully funded your eToro account. Remember to keep an eye on your funds and manage them wisely. Thanks for watching and happy investing.